so the project we're going to do is this one. You can see I've already taped my paper down to a harder board. This is foam board. And I'm using a stencil, and this is a seahorse. I don't know how clearly you can see it because I have the pencil sort of light. It's a little darker than I meant to. I've got something to mix my watercolors on. So I've only been doing watercolor for about a week and a half. It's a new thing for me. So we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. I've got some colors here that we're going to play with. So I've got Prussian blue, Cerulean blue, violet, and rose. And I got a batch of different brushes. I've got a whole batch of different regular brushes. I've got some water brushes if I decide I want to do those. And we're just going to experiment. I'm really new at this. I don't expect to look professional, but we're going to have some fun. And you can see as I'm learning how it's going. So I'm going to put some music on for you because I'll probably have to speed this up because I know this is going to take me more than 14 minutes to do. And you can watch along. Let's get started. Well, one of the first things I want to tell you though before I switch to music is I am going to do a lot of what's called wet painting, which means you wet the canvas first and then paint on it instead of dry brushing, which means I just brush onto a dry canvas. So here we go. I oopsed it here, and I forgot to turn the video back on because I cleaned up and redid. And I got this sponge, and I sort of dampened the edge, and then what I'm doing with this sponge is just giving my water a little more texture and movement by using the holes in the sponge to give me a more erratic pattern. Okay, I've decided that where all the white is in the middle here, I'm gonna brighten that up a little. So I have gotten out my lemon yellow, and for this part, I'm gonna use a fine tip water brush. I'm going to let this dry and we'll have some final results. Okay, we have the final results. This is 90% dry, I'm going to say. I really like the way it turned out. It was fun getting to try some new things with watercolor that I haven't done yet and see how it would turn out. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now this is part of Friday with Friends, so please follow along. The playlist is in the description box along with links to each of the videos. Tonight we're starting with Pattie from Let's Pour with Pattie. And then after me will be Billy with BCC Arts Studio. Thank you so much for being here, everyone, and have a wonderful weekend.